ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna start a series where I'm gonna redecorate my whole room because my room suck. Do you know why? To buy a launch chair or something, a bean bag to put here, but guess what? My PR packages took over this whole ass place. It's supposed to be a cute get ready with me type of table, but bro, no, everything just stacks up. Look at all the bunch of skincare, and my lipstick is gonna fall. That is my so-called makeup like drawer, but what am I gonna call this? This is my makeup drawer and it's broken. And oh my god, did I just left my curling iron there? And this is supposed to be my perfume shelf. That's coil. That's why I sell back there. There's glasses. Another glasses was supposed to be here. And my bag just got piled up there together with the microphone. Let's start with this right here. I just received this new Estee Lauder PR package, which is so cute. They gave me the nutritious melting soft cream mask, nutritious 2-in-1 foam cleanser, and also nutritious radiant essence lotion. So I can't wait to try this. But guess what? I mean, can you guys see yourself? It's so sayang. I sayang wanna throw, but it's just taking up too much space. See that? Can you see that? Too much effort has put on into these PR packages, and I am just so sayang wanna throw it. Sometimes I just feel like, can I just keep the mirror up? You know what? Oh, okay. I just broke it. I don't think so I can keep it. But oh my god. Smart, real smart. But I broke it. So yeah. To the bin it goes. Next up is Elixir. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And they actually sent me quite a beautiful package with my name on it. Can you see? I hate when y'all do this to me. You know how difficult is it for me to throw? Okay, and then this is the packaging. Okay, thank you. They gave me their vegan relief facial moisturizer, their lip balm, lip butter, and sunscreen, which is this. And one thing I love about Elixir is they are a vegan skincare. So yeah, the brand speaks for itself. And just a card. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. I'm pissed. And it comes with a care, and when you take it off, you get all the product. And how cute is that? It comes with a sunscreen, with the Elixir moisturizer, and the rest. And it comes with this card, maybe like a thank you card or something. It's Khesyinii, and I already took off the case, so I'm just going to throw this. And also some by me. This one I have to create content with, so you guys can expect this on my Instagram. And it's actually good. I've been using this for a while now and it's good. Alright, next is also from the same brand, which is Some by Me. This package is so beautiful. Can you see that? A box in a box. Why? Because why not? Let's just give Khesyinii a trouble of throwing all of these things. That is why they decided to send so much packages. And yeah, this is their new release. See this. Off, on, off, on. Oh, this is their Irritation Retinol Intense collection, or their new release. So So it's a retinol intense. It's intense, but it's only 0.1%. So I guess that's fine for my skin. I haven't tried this out. You guys can see it's still well packaged in the box. And look at the serum. And it comes with eye cream. Retinol eye cream is for fine lines. I need an eye cream for dark circles. So yeah, your girl don't sleep. More plastics. Oh, this is not plastic. This is from a Singapore brand called Khesyuuu, where they send me a bunch of, like, how to say, this one is something that you replace, food replacement. So it has the best calories for your body. So whenever you just feel like you're hungry but you don't have time to eat, just pour water in this and drink. How long, you know, this bag has been here? I need to put this at the back area. Why got paper all inside here? This is bank receipts and everything. I've used this bag. How adorable. Here you go, Steve Madden. I don't think so. I need the box. I only need the heels. The box is just look at the heels that I got. Let me show you guys. You know what's the best part? It's this. This thing here. That's the best part. So I'm gonna throw the Steve Madden box because I don't need it. And next up is this from CG Skin. They sent me a bunch of their skincare. One is their clay mask and their bright skin exfoliator, and also their sunscreen, which I just threw because I already put the sunscreen. I'm already using the sunscreen. And they also sent me this sheet mask. So I like when you can use the PR packages. Like this bag, it changes my whole lighting. Like when I open the bag, look at me, I look so yellow. Yeah, but yeah, I can use this as a makeup bag. So I'm gonna give this. And look at that, this is what I created. Next up is this Dermalogica. I already did a video, but I haven't do a video with the products. So yeah, thank you Dermalogica for sending. This is my holy grail. If you have dark spots, use this. This is my holy grail. And I'm gonna throw the box. This is a good pair of box, and I can recycle them. Let me see how much my mom are willing to buy all of these things from me. Probably nothing. Alright, there's one more here lying down because I created content with it. And here, a big ass box which I'm gonna keep because it's not messed up. And this is from the HCN, which is Head Milk Creators Network. They sent me a thermos, a bucket hat, and a phone stand, which I already did a review with. Next up is this MAC Hyper Real. Already did a video on it. Don't know why it's still here. Maybe because I'm in love with the cloud. Do I look pretty? She looked better than me though. Alright, say bye. Mine. Alright, this is Polar Choice. They sent me two, not one, but two. But then I haven't unboxed, so I'm gonna keep this. This has nothing in it, nothing. But thank you so much for the personal note. Alright, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Corally box, not sure why it's still here. Parcel, nothing in them. Parcel, nothing. A bag with my... Look what my gratitude journal is doing. Sleeping, because I'm not using it. A gratitude journal that I bought to have gratitude. It's no longer in use. And oh Jesus, Apple pen, yeah, from Shopee, but it's just in this brand. I think it's called Stylus pen. I'm gonna keep this box because it has the charging port. And then Dermalogica's bag that I just used, that they Something's cushion foundation. Up is this Choose phone cover that I have, which is in black. Oh my god, did I just throw that? Look, it is in this box. This is the phone cover. How cute. I'm just gonna keep the phone cover and not the box. This is the Salovis Paris that they sent to me. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen these two bracelet and necklace. It's so adorable. I'm gonna probably give the bracelet to my mom because it doesn't fit me, because I just have two tiny hands. There's a pink color bag. My mom would probably use it, so I'm just gonna keep it for my mom. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call my mom and ask what you want, what you don't want. And I'm gonna give it to her. This one, I so sayang wanna throw, so I'm gonna keep this box. Only the box. This is the Choose ribbon. How cute. I'm gonna try it here. Yeah, cute. And then it's Joe Malone. You see how dusty and dirty is it? That is how much things is on this box. So I'm gonna keep this and this Joe Malone box together to see if I can use it as a deco, but not the bag, because the bag is ruined, so only the box. The bag is so huge, it's ginormous. I'm gonna use this to throw all the unwanted box. Top is this big giant Zalora bag. Thanks Zalora. And yep, in this we have this PR package, which is the I'm From. I am going to keep the box, so I'm gonna just keep this here. Zalora's big fashion sale box. This one they have, oh, I only have the cap in here and the rest is missing. Oh, it's here, the pink. Alright, I'm gonna throw this fashion. It's this hat, I'm not sure what it's doing here, but I'm not sure where to keep it. And also this Life Boy. Oh yo, karuli. It's so heavy, it's really heavy. Imagine one soap of Life Boy is so heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna ask my mom to clear this Life Boy, but I am going to need all the soap. So yeah, now let's keep all of this box into this box. Can I carry it? Let's do a carry test. Yes, we can. Now let's bring this downstairs. Now I've got to settle this jeans, because all of my jeans is folded, because my closet has no space, and I don't know why I put my camera so low, but yeah, I got a new tripod, and the tripod is so difficult to use, so you're gonna stay there for a while I fold this. And oh my god, jeans is very hard to take care, but I learned something. So yeah, let me just fold this. Now we've got to stack the jeans inside my closet, which is another disaster that we are gonna take care of in the future. Till then, you go in there. Put all these things that is pending for review into this box, into this bag of Zalora, and I'm only gonna put including this Joe Malone. Let me put this in. Let's see. Yes, it fits. This is what currently my room look like. I only have one package, paper bag, which is the pending products that I need to do, and that one will be gone in the next video because my mom asked to keep here while she settled it all. My dressing table looks better, but this is untouched, and the bed is so much more cleaner, as you guys can see here. Yeah, so I'm gonna end today's episode here. I'll see you guys in episode 2, where I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.
This touch it, have you wildin'? That's when it's been to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you're sliding.